What's up, guys? So today we're doing a collaboration video. We're doing a mac and cheese video. We're doing it with a bunch of different channels. I can't even name them all. I believe it was the dude from the Dude's Kitchen and Grill who came up with this idea. But over the next couple days, the 23rd to I believe it's the 26th, you're going to be seeing all these videos under hashtag Slack and Cheese. Slack and Cheese. So, hope you guys enjoy. This is a nice, easy recipe. Try it out. Alright, so we're going to start off by making our roux. So, first things first, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to throw a half a stick of butter in. Nice. Now when it comes to the roux, I'm going to go nice and easy, adding flour in. Stir this butter around. Just gonna do a little flour at a time. Alright? Gonna do a little flour and you're gonna work it in. So I got about a quarter cup of flour. Just gonna start working this in. Just gonna stir everything up. Now at the same time, see, it's starting to get incorporated already. At the same time, I'm going to go and get my seasoning ready. I'll put a half a teaspoon of salt in. Now, this is optional here. You could go lighter or you could do none at all. I'm just putting a little salt in. Alright. Whole time we just want to keep stirring this roux. Alright, if not, it's going to get all clumpy on us. We don't want that. Just going to kind of spread this around and stir. Half a tablespoon of pepper. Alright, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep stirring this in, keep working it for a couple minutes. So, this is coming together really nicely. At this point, I'm going to add some milk to it. I'm going with 2 cups of milk. Alright, so we got 1 cup of milk in there. I got another cup on standby. At this point, I'm going to start adding my cheese. I'm going to add a half a pound of cheddar. I'm going to add it a little at a time. All the cheese is going to go in a little at a time. We want it to melt down, add more. Melt down, add more. But the whole time you want to stir, okay? Alright, so if you're stirring it like you should be stirring it, constantly stirring it, you're going to start feeling it thicken up. Now when it starts to thicken up a little, just add a little drop of milk from your second cup. And that's it. All of our cheddar has been added. We have a nice cheese sauce going on right now. But I'm going to incorporate a second. I'm adding some Velveeta in. I got a pound of Velveeta. I'm going to add it in. Now, if you did everything the way I showed, you should have a nice creamy sauce right now. Alright, so we got a tray here of large elbow pasta. That's what I went with today. Alright. So before we add our cheese, we're going to introduce our special guest for some extra credit here. We're putting in a half a pound of pulled pork, chopped very finely. Pulled and chopped finely. Alright. Now there's a reason why I'm going small on the pulled pork. Why it's so chopped finely. And that's because, well, hold on. You guys stay tuned. You're going to see why. This time, I'm just going to start putting our cheese in. A nice sauce we made. Woo! Look at that. That's nice. Well, we're just gonna work it in. Now everything in here is cooked already, but I'm not gonna serve it like this. I'm gonna throw it in the oven. I would throw it on the grill, the barbecue, whatever's lit. You know, this is a great side dish, or you could even serve this as a meal. But I don't have either one lit today, so I'm gonna put it in the oven. Probably 350 for like, I don't know, 25, 30 minutes. All right, guys, we just hit that marker. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the oven. Oh, 30 minutes. All right, let's check this out. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. That looks awesome. That looks really good. Oh man. All right. I gotta try this out. Look at this mac and cheese, man. This just looks good. Got some pulled pork in there. Woo, man. Nice creamy sauce. All right. Now it's time for part 2 of our extra credit. We got some pulled pork here. Nice. I'm gonna put it on top. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. It's a nice crust right there. That's a bonus. That is a bonus. All right. But we're not done yet. Let me use this little barbecue sauce on top. It's from the Cowboys Barbecue and Rib Company. I haven't tried this yet. I opened it up. It tasted really good. But I got this at a barbecue competition I went to a while back. I figure we crack it open. Nice. Just drizzle a little top. Look at that. Sauce tastes good. And that just looks good, man. Look at this. Look at that. All right, let's try this out. I get a piece, everything on it there. Get a little mac and cheese, a little pulled pork from the top. Bam, 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 bam. Oof, that looks good. Wow, that's very good. Very good. Anyway, guys. Oh, cheers. Thanks for watching. Now, go to that search bar, put that hashtag in, slack and cheese, and check out everyone else's video. You know, a bunch of people making some macaroni and cheese here too. So you check out those other videos. You're gonna be happy. Take care, guys.